The portable clamp welding machines are tools that allow us to close the bags by welding. There are several models, both impulse and hot bar. All clamp welding machines allow to carry out several welds side by side with no length limit. Impulse welding takes place when the resistance heats up for a few seconds and then cools immediately once the temperature is reached. The latter can be adjusted by means of a potentiometer placed on the welding machine according to the thickness of the bag. The hot bar welding needs instead of a time to warm up and then maintain the set temperature until the end of use. The FP series are the simplest series of clamp welding machines, which are distinguished by the different lengths of the welding bars and the type of material with which they are made. In fact, the FP Cello has a bar width of 10 mm with two knurled bars suitable for polypropylene, coupled paper, and aluminum. For these models, there is the possibility of having a bench support or a mechanical pedal. FP series also includes the 802, a constant heat welding machine that allows welding with different shapes such as square or circular, has an adjustable temperature of up to 200 kilograms. But since there is no graduated scale, the temperature must be set following practical tests on the material, as well as the pressure to be exercised during welding. Of the Me series, there are several welding machines, such as the Me 150, that are divided into HS and DH. HS has a welding of 2 mm, with a Teflon sealing bar suitable for polyethylene. The DH has a welding of 10 mm with double sealing bar to close polypropylene bags and coupled paper, aluminum. The M300 and 400 a hot bar with length of the welding bar, one of 300 and the other of 400 mm, designed to weld polypropylene and bonded paper, aluminum. Of these, for both models, you can have the cable protected for high temperature. The Me 105 hot bar is equipped with double punch, complete with thermoregulator and suitable for closing trays and blisters in plastic. The Me 405 is an ultrasonic clamp welding machine for sealing trays and blisters. The heat developed by the friction is transmitted to the two plastic surfaces and secures them instantly with a resistant point and without burrs. The welding power is adjustable by potentiometer and can produce an ultrasonic vibration of 55 or 60,000 cycles per second. The bar has a width of 3 mm and a length of 4 mm. As regards pulse welding machines, the 281 with a length of the welding bar of 280 mm, the 381 with a length of the bar of 380 mm, and the 631 with a length of 630 mm are present. All with double sealing bar are accompanied by a power box. Pliers can be used with polyethylene, polypropylene, and laminated film, with a maximum thickness of 0.5 mm. Welding machines KP200, 300 and 400 double hot bar, which allow to weld polyethylene, polypropylene and coupled, always with a width of 1 centimeter. Remaining on hot bar welding machines, we present the FRK200 and 400, whose difference is the length and width of the welding bars. The temperature can be adjusted by thermoregulator placed on the clamp from 0 to 200 installs. All machines are ready for delivery, and we carry out repairs at our warehouse. For more information, you can contact our technicians by sending an email or calling.